Hey guys, welcome back to Struggleville YouTube channel. We are here at Lowe's because they have an amazing deal right now. But the catch is it's only available in store. You cannot purchase it online. So you are at the mercy of a store you are willing to drive to having this item in stock. But it's a really good one and this store is supposed to have it. So we're going to go inside and see if we can find it. Now while we're here, we'll probably walk around and see what other sale items we can find. They will be surprised with other amazing deals. But you're really going to like this one I specifically came for. We're keeping our fingers crossed. A couple of things as we go here. Have 160, I think that's a one. Rotary toolkit, normally 25 down to 20. It's Jorgensen, which, if I'm not mistaken, is one of the brands that Great Star Tools bought. But it's not a great price. We see better things on Amazon with the promo codes. Here we have a 50-foot quarter-inch hose. It is $16.98, was $24. It's by our Metabo HPT. Let's see if that makes it any easier for you. Looks like we have a little tool clearance section going over here. So let's see, we have a Cobalt 52 piece with some drive bits and drill bits. And that's going to be $19.98 now. And then a different set, still drill and drive bits, but it's 50 piece, but different things are in this one. There's that. Let's see. $32 for a corded Black & Decker drill. Doesn't sound like an amazing deal there. $9.97 for the Spider spade bits. Don't see anything on that. $64.50 for the reciprocating saw, but it's bare tool. I don't know. Craftsman's got a lot of deals. I wouldn't mess with that probably. Now this Craftsman 4 tool kit's not too bad. It's $149. You get that reciprocating saw. It's probably the same model that we just saw here for $64. Getting the impact driver, getting a drill, LED light, two 2-amp-hour batteries, the charger, and the bag. So that's about $25 an item. It's probably good enough that I should be buying that. They got the new fan on sale for $99, but I hate that. They got rid of the plug. Look at, you can still see the plastic cutout where you used to have the plug so you could plug something in and they eliminate it. Horrible. $199 for the drywall screw gun and cutout tool. Normally $299. So it looks like you're getting two 2-amp-hour batteries in the charger with that deal. That's the fan again. We have the Craftsman V20 LED hanging work light. It says it's normally $55 down to $21.97. That's a bare tool. We have basically the same thing more or less for the Cobalt lineup. 24-volt bare tool, normally $60 down to $23.97. Last week I did another Lowe's deals video, and I'm trying not to go over the same things we talked about in that video, but a lot of those are still available, so make sure to check it out. If I remember, I'll link it down below, but otherwise just look for a Lowe's video that was recently uploaded. Kind of interesting, we have the kind of like this hardware clearance and some little like doorknobs. And then over here we have a LED light that was normally $11.46 down to $4.67, this Lux Pro. Only $1.74 for this Energizer. Then over on this other side we have some tape measures. We have the Lufkin Control Series 25-footers. Normally $20, now $15. And then we also have the Swanson Savage grip line. Look at that thing. 25-footer. That's $10.77. It's in a cage, so we're gonna need some help. But we got the Metabo HPT 18-volt subcompact 4-piece combo kits, $119, normally $299. You're getting 2 batteries, charger, drill, impact driver, one-handed reciprocating saw, and the oscillating tool. Really good deal for $119. They're supposed to have 2, and if they do, I'm getting both because I'm feeling piggish today. I'll leave a Brickseek link in the description so you can check your own stores and see if you can find one or more. So actually they said they had 7. I still only went with 2 because, you know, I'm feeling piggish but not like totally greedy. So we're actually in DeKalb, Illinois. So if you're interested in them, they should have 5 more somewhere. I believe they're maybe up there. The one down there is still there. Ended up with 2 Metaboo-Boos and the Craftsman. So you see, brushless, 4-tooth combo. Don't need any of it, but, you know, we'll play with it for a little while and then do a giveaway or sell it or something. And these Metaboo-Boos here, drills brushless, impact driver brushless, multi-tools brushless. Interestingly enough, not the reciprocating saw. Still pretty good for a little over $100. So there it is, guys, an amazing Lowe's clearance deal. Make sure you give the video a like, subscribe for a nice subscriber. I'll see you guys next time.